Is that how it would go? We're at quite an exciting stage in the production process at the moment. We've gone beyond just the 2D visuals that I've supplied, and we're starting to see it all come to life and making those key choices on fabrics and colours and textures. It's a fairly large company that we're working with on the stage, and we've got 18 in the chorus, and they're multi-rolling, and the costume changes are thick and fast. All the roles are women, but they are playing roles of men as well. It's a big piece in terms of how much costume is being used. Yeah, I'd probably go with that. The set itself should have the Edwardian music hall at the heart of it, but also pull in all the other environments that the suffragettes visit and marry that together into one space. So I was looking at the Newport Temperance Hall, the House of Lords and gentlemen's clubs of the Edwardian era, and the visual that really comes across from all of those environments is that kind of wooden panelling. We've been looking at suffrage banners to create a backdrop. That's what really stands out from the artwork that the suffragettes were producing. And I've tried to depict a Welsh scene across those so that we keep a sense of Wales at the heart of the piece. So I'm really excited to have seen the banners today. They're starting to come together now as something that's almost there. We're building in some really nice comic elements, and part of that is coming through the use of costume and props, which is always really fun when you're developing a design and you're hopeful that something visual that you've put in there might be something that gets a laugh. The spirit of the piece, I think, is quite jolly and fun, but also very serious, and it's real and it's part of our history. And I think we're at a period in history now where there's so much focus on women's rights and the feminist movement, and so I'm hoping that this piece kind of also helps to reinforce that.
I can cope with hunger, I can cope with thirst, I can deal with the fear.